Raccoon likes the kitty food. You like the kitty food? Oh, there's two of them. Hi, babies. Are you hungry? Yeah? You want some more food? Come on. Come on. We'll get you some more food. There's some there. Hi, baby. Come on. Yeah, come on in and eat. Hi, baby. Look at them. They're getting so big. These are big babies. He's hungry. Aren't you? Huh? Oh, don't fight. Don't fight. No, come on. Don't fight. There's enough for both of you. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good babies. Good babies. It's okay. Hi. It's okay. Come on. Go ahead and eat. Come on. There's enough for you too. Come on. It's nummies. Is it nummies? Yeah. Come on. Oh, you like that carpet, huh? You gonna use the litter box? Oh, come on now. Be nice. You gotta leave some for him too. Come on, baby. You want some out of the bag? Huh? He's hungry. He likes kitty food. You like kitty food? Huh? Oh boy. Here, I was gonna get you some more. Here you go. Come here. Here. There you go. Come on.